The next we continue with applications of k-means cluster. In next point is in medical. The patient attributes such as age, height, weight, and systolic and diastolic blood pressures and cholesterol level and other attributes can identify the naturally occurring the clusters. These clusters uh, could be used to target the individual for specific preventive measures and clinical trial participation. The clustering in general is useful in biology for the classifications of plants and animals as well as in this field in human genetics. The third point is in customer segmentation. The marketing and sales groups use k-means to better identify customers who have similar the behavior and spending patterns. For the example, a wireless provider may look at the following the customer attributes: the monthly bill, number of text messages, data volume consumed, minutes used during the various daily period and years, and the customers. The wireless company could then look at the naturally occurring the clusters and consider to increasing the sales and reduce uh, the customer churn rate, the preparations of customers who end their relationship with the particular company. The caustics, the heuristic using the WSS can provide the last several possible k values to consider. When the number of attribute is reliable, the small a common approach to further refine as choose of k is to the plot the data to determine how they identified the clusters are from the each others. In general, following the questions to be considered the are the clusters will separated from each other. Do any of the cluster have only a few points? Do any of the centralized uprights appear to be too close to the each others? The next topic is reason and choose the cautions. The k-means is the simple and straightforward method for defining the cluster. One clusters and they are associated, centralized or identified. It is the easy to assign a new objects. For the example, new customers to a cluster based on the object's distance from the closest centroid, because the method is the unsupervised using the k-means help to eliminate the subjectively from the analysis. Although the k-means is considered an unsupervised method, there are still several decisions that the particular must be a take a questions for the what object attributes should be included in the analysis, what unit of measures, for the example miles or kilometers, should be used for the each attribute. The third one is do the attributes need to be rescaled so that one attribute does not have a the disproportionate effect on the result. What the last one is what what other considerations of might apply. The object attributes are regarding the uh, To use the analysis, it is an important to understand what attribute will be known as the time to new object will be assigned to the cluster. For the example, information on existing the customer, satisfaction or purchased frequency may be available, but such information may not available for the potential customers. The data scientist may have to choose the choice of the dozen or more attributes to use in the clustering analysis. Thank you.